Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about string functions. There is a lot of string functions, but we'll go through most commonly used ones. So let's begin with creating a string variable. String example, and let's assign some kind of value to it. Let's say hello world. The first string function that we'll cover is length. So we can check the length of the string by calling the length function like this. So I'll print that out to check the length. And it says that our string has 11 characters. Second one that we can go over is equals. So we can compare if two strings are equal. String 1 is equal to test1, and let's say that another string, string 2, is equal test1 as well. So let's compare it and assign the value to bool variable. Bool is equals string 1 equals string 2. So if those two strings are equal, we'll get true as a result. If they are not, we'll get false. So let's see the output of this comparison. It should say true, as we can see. So if I change this to test2, we'll get false as a result. Next one could be contains. We can check if some specific string contains another substring, for example. Let's say we can create a variable bool contains equal to example contains, let's say hello. And we can print that out. So this will check if this example string contains specified word hello, and we are expecting to see true as a result because this string actually contains this word. If I run it, we can confirm that. Just to check, yeah, we have a error here. I used the wrong ones, but I'll explain later why it's an issue. We should not worry about that at the moment. And if I run it, I can see true as a result because it contains it. If I change the value to lower hello, we will get false because it doesn't contain it anymore. Okay, the next one could be substring. String substring is equal to string. You can see what these functions do. It actually returning the substring of existing string, and we are specifying the starting index and the length. So if we specify starting index as 2 and length of 2, for example, so this is the 0 character, first, second, and so on. So we're expecting to see this one and this one as a result. If I print that out, we can confirm that. So substring will print, I actually used the wrong string example. So we will see nothing LL. So that's what we're expecting to see. And the next method could be the trim method. So let's imagine that we have example string like this, and it has a lot of white spaces in front of the string and in the end of the string. Testing, and it has something like this, it doesn't matter, and a lot of white spaces. So if I print that out, we actually won't be able to see the white spaces. So I'll call the trim function and it will remove all of these white spaces. We won't be able to see it but we can see that white spaces are removed from the beginning of the string. If I remove the trim and run it again, you can see that there are white spaces in the beginning and in the end. So the next one could be upper and lower. So if we have a string name, which is equal to some name, and we want to show it in lowercase, we can always call the toLower function, name toLower. So this will change all the letters to lower. If I run it, we can see that name is lower now, and I can call toUpper for the same string, toUpper, which will do the opposite function. Some name, all the letters are uppercase. And also, if we are looking to replace some of the characters, we can do that by calling replace function. String name is equal to name test is equal to name dot replace. We need to specify which character. Let's say S with T, for example. It doesn't matter. We can print that and check the results. If I run the console application, we can see that we changed the first letter, which is now T. It used to be S. And also we can check if some string is starting with some specific letter. That will be Boolean. Starts with is equal to name. Starts with, let's say, S. We are expecting to see true as a result because it actually starts with S. Name is some name. If I print that out, we'll confirm that by running application. It's true. If I change it to any other letter, we will get false because it's not starting with A. So that will be a quick overview of the function that we can use, and that will be pretty much it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.